So what did I learn from this workshop? It's just been great to be among other people, other NGOs, discussing together how we can do fundraising, how we can tell our stories, how we can move our organizations forward. And to me also very importantly to realize that we are not everything for everyone, and we have our niches, we have things to focus on, and we can go on and focus on those and make a difference for the people that we are meant to make a difference for.
We represent the clubs of young difference, and it was like a very new experience for us. We've never been to anything to the NGO fundraising with NGOs. It was an exciting experience, and I liked when you learn about you can't do everything, you can't save everyone, and it's just like a new experience, and it's been great.
I'm Jade, and I really like everything the workshop has taught us so far. Because I've never learned anything about NGOs, how to work with them, how they are managed, and anything else. So it's very informative, and as I work with our lecturers, seeing that our university were great, to work with, and they explained so nicely that I could understand all of it. So yeah, thank you.
Oh, the workshop went well. It was good for us we are just in the beginning of our project. We are building a community center in Almapias, but it was good also to meet other people, to reflect on what we are doing, but also to learn more on especially the fundraising, how to do it, how to manage budgeting and all that. So it's been a wonderful 3 days.
I learned a lot about fundraising and think outside the box. We are so in a spiral that we do not think outside of it. Thank you very much for EMS, for the sponsorship for this lovely 3 days.
My name is Rita Wolf and I'm from a company called Tabira NPC, and we run Honey Badger events, which are boot camps for skills development boot camps for young adults from 14 to 19 years old. And these 3 days on seminar or workshop was just so eye-opening. We've realized how much we have done right, but how much we could have done differently. And it has just given me so many tools and ways to do things other than working myself to the ground. I think it was just fabulous. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Moses from Gerezin Community Center, and I attended to this fundraising workshop, which was so informative to us, eye-opener. For me, it was more than fundraising. It was also taking it business each and every transaction is as important as our daily works that we do to our beneficiaries. I wish to thank the sponsors for bringing us here today, the facilitators for their effort, for their time.
Ik het regtig die werkshop geniet. Dat was baie kundig vir my gewees. Ek het baie geleer en veral van die story engineering, hoe om 'n verhaal by mekaar te stel vir ons organisasie se werk. Ek het baie geniet en ek is dankbaar vir EMS.
Hi, I'm Elsie. I am a board member for the Kotatsong Association. I really enjoyed this course, learning how to fundraise, sources of funding, how to put together a funding proposal, and I'd love to do another one if possible.
Hi, I'm Maliska from Okanyu, and I'm here doing a training from EM Solutions. And in the past 3 days, what I've learned, my main takeaways, was firstly that fundraisers fund change. And I guess that is key, how your why connects to the why of the people you are going to approach. And then another big takeaway that we were taught was that there is a God and that is not me. So often we tend to have a very wide focus and want to fix everything, While actually, what I've learned now is that if you focus on one thing and you say, okay, I can fix that, and leave the rest in God's hands, basically, you're going to be much more effective, which is a difficult lesson for me to learn, but I'm definitely taking that away from this. And then yesterday we learned about storytelling, which was one of my favorite parts, and that is about how the story of your organization can speak to the funders. So you need to go and think, how can your why in your story connect to people, maybe in emotional ways, maybe in ways that legend has it, or just a true story, an origin story, how he started. And today we are learning about, which I'm also finding very interesting, about many different people and ways you can approach people who could be potential donors. So making a lot of notes, loving what I'm learning, and very grateful. Thank you.